Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their sleeping situation: the EPHEDORA 10 Extra Wide Bed Bridge Connector. This innovative product transforms two separate twin beds into one seamless king-size mattress, ensuring a comfortable and uninterrupted night's sleep. Let's kick things off by highlighting what makes the EPHEDORA Bed Bridge Connector stand out from the competition. With its extra-wide design and adjustable strap, this converter kit offers unparalleled convenience and versatility. Whether you're hosting guests for the weekend or simply seeking a more luxurious sleep experience for yourself, this product has you covered. One of the standout features of the EPHEDORA Bed Bridge Connector is its 25D memory foam construction. This high-quality foam not only provides optimal softness and comfort but also ensures durability for long-lasting use. Plus, the hypoallergenic microfiber top adds an extra layer of safety and breathability for a truly restful night's sleep. Installation couldn't be easier with the EPHEDORA Bed Bridge Connector. Simply place the foam bridge between the twin beds, wrap the adjustable strap around the mattresses, and tighten to secure them in place. In just minutes, you'll have a seamless king-size sleeping surface that's perfect for couples or anyone craving extra space and comfort. And when it's time to store the EPHEDORA Bed Bridge Connector, the included storage bag makes it a breeze. Keep it neatly tucked away until your next use, ensuring that you always have a solution on hand for accommodating guests or upgrading your own sleeping arrangements. But don't just take our word for it. Hear what satisfied customers have to say about the EPHEDORA Bed Bridge Connector. From its easy installation to its exceptional comfort and stability, this product has earned rave reviews from users around the world. So there you have it, folks. The EPHEDORA 10 Extra Wide Bed Bridge Connector is truly the best bed extender available on the market today. Say goodbye to uncomfortable gaps and hello to a seamless sleeping experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews of must-have products.